Right behind me is one of Viera Builders' newest communities, and it's called Laurasia. Laurasia is a luxury version of what Viera Builders currently offers, and the entire community is going to have 263 home sites. My name is Shane Bergman. I'm your local Viera expert, and today we're going to talk all about Laurasia. Oh, and by the way, if you hear any road noise, it's because we're in a golf cart, because we're in Viera and that's how we get around. So let's start with location. Now, Laurasia is located directly south of the new Pineda extension. If you're familiar with where the new Costco is, it's going to be directly west of that. Now, you can get to Laurasia off of Pineda or off of Stadium Boulevard. There's going to be gated access points from both locations. If you're familiar with the community Pangaea, Laurasia is directly west of that community. And fun fact, most people understand that Pangaea was known as a supercontinent. Laurasia is actually a breakoff of that supercontinent. And if you know the other breakoff of the supercontinent Pangaea, go ahead and drop it in the comments. So as I mentioned earlier, Laurasia is going to have 263 home sites. Now, out of those 263 home sites, there's going to be 14 different floor plan options for you to choose from. Now, within those 14 different floor plans, pricing is going to be anywhere from mid-700,000s, and they will breach $1 million. Now, when it comes to lot sizes, there's two choices in Laurasia. You have a 65-foot wide lot and a 75-foot wide lot. Now, what's unique about Laurasia is this is a semi-custom community. So if you're someone that's building a home and you want a little bit more input, Laurasia is the community for you. It's going to be very similar to Stonecrest and Carrington, where you had the ability to manipulate certain walls and options within the floor plan. And if you want some better examples of this, go ahead and check out their website for Laurasia. It's robust with information, and you could go on there and start playing around with how you can modify a floor plan to suit your needs. Right behind me is one of the two preserves located within Laurasia. Now, there's going to be walking trails that kind of surround the preserve, and each one is going to have sitting areas as well as water views. And look, guys, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but as far as I know, Laurasia is not going to have pickleball courts. I know, it's a sad day.
No! God, please, no!
But if you want pickleball, you can go ahead and head up to Tresona Cove, where they've got a ton of pickleball courts just for you. And something worth mentioning is Viera Builders is a part of FPL's Build Smart program, which means all of the homes that Viera Builders builds are energy efficient. The homes will also have smart features, video doorbells, a brilliant switch to control the home, and other things that make the property smarter than you. If you're gonna build in Laurasia, Pangaea, or any other community, you need a real estate agent. Builders are already putting in the cost to hire an agent into the price of the property, so it's not gonna cost you anything extra. And when you hire a real estate agent, we don't work for the builder, we work for you. If you're interested in more Viera content, make sure to click on one of these videos that we've recently done. We're covering all things Viera. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, because we're dropping videos like this almost weekly.